In this video, I'm going to talk about how to take panoramic photo on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the camera, and right now you're on the photo over here, right? So as you can see, you can change it. If you wanted to, you just need to use your finger over here. You can see the photo is at the bottom. What you need to do is you have to do like this, so it will be changed. And right now this is on the panoramic. You can also keep this on portrait if you wanted. You can do it like this if when you change it, and just keep this. If you wanted to keep it on the panoramic, you can keep this on pano. Over here it is written, and right now what I need to do is it says move your iPhone continuously when you're taking a panorama over here. So what I need to do is let me tilt my iPhone like this over here like this, and what I'm trying to do is just going to press the circular over here. I'm just going to press it, and we just keep moving my iPhone like this. So everything over here will be completely captured, right? I'm just going to do like this. Okay, so I wanted to cover everything over here like this. Now I just going to bring it back, right? Now once I set this up, if I go over here, as you can see, the photo that I captured right now in the panoramic that's how it looks like. You can keep it completely like this, but I have just shot it with the set of an angle from the camera, so it has to be visible so you can understood this. And right now this is the photo that I took over here, as you can see, from the panoramic, and this is how it looks like. It is quite vast and everything so far is covered in this, and this is how we can do it, right? And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.